Good morning. Now is Tuesday. This one is what's this one? Tuesday, huh? May 14, 9:25 in the morning. We have one complaint here in laundry area. I want to repair this some issues.
Steam pressing machine.
Steam pressure, steam, right?
Steam pressing machine.
Steam pressing machine.
Steam pressing machine have leakage.
Leakage issues from the boiler. So I think this one broken is temperature switch. This one I already removed this cover like this. Then I take manually to release the water from the drain. After that, I'm testing the machine. So I get one marker. I put there and adjust this you know that adjustable there. If you see that that is my marker. Before this arrow is going from the more than three there. 3, you see that 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's mean I adjust this I adjust middle of the tree, maybe 2 set point, and the pressure is stable. The pressure is stable from the 4 psi. Yeah, 4 psi. 4 psi. So now let me test this machine, if okay or not okay. No. If you see this indicator light, this green is already automatic, and this light is coming on. It means the boiler is working. Okay. Let me try. Yeah, you see the steam is coming out, and the red is coming out also, showing after pressing. Release. After this ion I mean, so we need to wait sometimes. We need to wait this red light off. If this red light indication is off, it means the machine is running condition. It's okay, because I adjust this adjustment from there, the pressure switch, and then the pressure gauge also is going down if you use the machine. And after that, the boiler is if the boiler is working, the coming up. So now I continue the video, right? If you open this drain, the water is coming out. If you heard that sounds, it means the water pump is repelling again to the boiler. That's why it's green coming there, indication. So now it's cut off. Now we test again this pressing steam machine and to release the steam pressure. Now if you see the fog like this is the steam. So see that one, and then the red indication is, it's mean that indication is boiler is running. So because you release the steam, so they reduce the steam, and the pressure in the gauge. So now the boiling again. If you see the red color, boiling, right? Because I release the steam. That's that I do the that I need to make sure that boiler and the water pump is running. Now is on turn off, so it's mean the red indication is going off. It's mean the boiler is on automatic mode. So it's because I make the adjustment there in pressure temperature switch. So if you are the new to see this my video, please click the icon notification bell and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget like and shares. So thank you for watching for these videos. Thank you mga ka Kitchen Technician TV.